Cold plunge thoughts. Well, Merry Christmas. Today's the day that we celebrate the birth of Christ. I am so grateful for him in my life. I know that he lives. I know that he's my Savior. And I know that because he lives, I'll be able to live again. And I'm so grateful for that. I know that because of his sacrifice for me, I can overcome my weaknesses and the things that I'm not very good at and develop and become more like him every single day. That's the truth. That's not something that I believe or hope. That's something that I have felt. About 4 or 5 years ago, something like that, I was really, really depressed. And I haven't really struggled with suicide in my life, but at this time, I was out on a fishing trip and I just wanted to be back home. So I thought about how I could get injured enough that I would have to go home and stop the fishing trip, but not so injured that I would die, because I didn't want to die. And then one night I was struggling with this, and I was in the tent, and I just poured out my heart to God, and I said, I can't carry this anymore. It's too hard. This is too much for me. In that moment, I felt the atonement of Jesus Christ work in my life. And that was when I knew that it was real. Those feelings went away, and I overcame my depression. That's just a little thing. It's not as hard as what other people go through. But for me, it was enough to know that Christ did sacrifice for me.